Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
I'm just so upset right now because, don't mind the background, I'm in my dad's car right now. I can't use my car because there's a piece of glass in my tire and the pressure keeps going low. And it's so annoying. Like, I just feel like it's always something with my car. And I just can't, like, the windshield. Hold on, y'all, because I can't record and drive at the same time. Don't do this at home, kids. But yeah, something is always just going wrong with my car. So I'm just so happy I'm finally getting a new one. Like, I am just over my car. I had it for a few years. It did its job. But now it's like, you know, it's time for something new. So I'm just over it. But right now I'm going to get some food. Sorry, I know this is probably ghetto recording from this angle, but y'all want a realistic vlog? This is what y'all gonna get. Girl. This is as realistic as it's gonna get. So, and obviously I don't have a tripod in my father's car, so y'all just gotta go like this. But I never got to show y'all my cooking vlog kind of thing, because I don't cook that much. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I do not cook like that. So I do know how to cook a few things though, and a few things that I do know how to cook, I get busy, okay? Believe me. So the thing that I specialize in, look, I sound like a chef. The thing that I specialize in is fried chicken, yellow rice, and baked ziti. So I think, being at my brother's and everything, I'm gonna see what's up with the baked ziti. I gotta see how I'm feeling. I don't know. I think I might just do the chicken and the rice, because I don't know. And then we could put some vegetables on the side, because I'm just kind of, maybe some asparagus. That would be mad good. I don't know. But yeah. So I make a mean fried chicken. Oh my God. My fried chicken is up there with your grandmother's. Yeah, I said it. So I think I'm going to do some fried chicken. And I'm going to do some rice and some vegetables. Just calm for the night. Something that me and my brothers and my father can eat real quick. And I'm going to just edit, or whatever the case may be. And just do that. I just feel like I'm so awkward when it comes to vlogging just regular stuff, because I feel like vlogging stuff like this is mad boring, but y'all be wanting to see certain things. Look, so yeah, I'm trying to see if I should go to BJ's, or maybe if I should go to Stop and Shop, or maybe Walmart even. I don't know. We're just gonna have to see when we get there. But I can't wait to eat this chicken. I've been fiending for my fried chicken lately. So oh my God, I am so ready. So ready. So anyways, I don't know where I'm gonna wind up going, but let's just see what happens. Okay, I know I got this dumbass mask on my face, but I just thought this was mad cool. I don't know. You know, technology nowadays just baffles me, because it's literally moving by itself. I don't know if it's supposed to clean by itself. I don't know. That's mad cool to me. Alright. So I literally had to put on my father's mask, ew. But alright, so now I'm about to just fry this chicken and make this quick little meal real quick while I talk to y'all and vibe, listen to some music. Yeah, so I gotta learn how to multitask, because I'm like cleaning the chicken and all that stuff, so y'all gotta work with me. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to put a hold on my business, and I don't know if I want to 100% do that. Like, I'm not 100% on it, but I think I just might have to be honest, because the shortage of like material and everything like that, I've been talking to y'all about it, but it's really getting to like a ridiculous extent, and it's just like, I don't want people placing orders on my website, because I don't have the hair on hand. I have to order it from my vendor, so I don't think, it's just a lot. And yeah, if they order it from the website and I don't have it on hand, I'm gonna have to refund them, or they're just gonna have to wait a certain amount of time if it's not available, which for the most part, y'all want long wigs, y'all want long frontals, y'all want all of that, and the vendors sell out of those quick, and they have limited stock. So it's just like, even if they did have it, the chances of me getting it is narrow because obviously they're a good vendor, so a lot of people are gonna want to buy from them. Whatever, so I guess we're just gonna have to see how that works out. But honestly, y'all, I just don't even know. Like, I have so many businesses I'm working on. I'm trying to work on doing this better, this YouTube thing a little bit, like putting more effort into it because I'm doing it. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really feeling it. I'm not really all into it, and it's like, I wanted to do YouTube for so long, so the fact that I now am to a place where I feel like I'm just starting. Yeah, I got the 100K, yeah, all of that, but I'm still just starting. So now that I'm up here, I feel like I gotta work my way up even higher. Like, I don't want to get comfortable here and give y'all boring content. So whatever, I'm working on it. Let me go get this chicken real quick. This is just so funny to me because I never filmed in my kitchen before or anywhere in my house besides the second living room over there. So this is like a little vibe, like everybody just relax, not too much noise going on, just a little whatever, I could get my head right. I have this thing where sometimes I just need silence to get it together, and I live with old boys besides my stepmother, so you could just imagine, they all younger than me, I'm the oldest, so you could just imagine how loud this house would be during the day, and I just, I be so annoyed sometimes. Anyways, what's that flour? Everybody has their like special way of making their fried chicken. Some people add mustard, some people I saw somebody, what did they do? They add, was it milk or something? I don't even remember. I saw something mad long ago. Everybody does something different to add the crisp, but I do it the way my grandmother told me, and my grandmother in my eyes is one of the best cooks I've ever seen in my life. So I do it my grandmother's way. Simple, but it still tastes really good. So it's not a tutorial, but I'm gonna still show y'all anyway. Okay, so first I'm gonna season the flour. I really like my chicken to taste real tasty, and it don't have to be like super salty or anything. I don't add any salt because obviously adobo and sazon and all this other stuff have salt in it, so I try not to OD. Everything that I'm gonna use to season the chicken is what I'm gonna use to season the flour. Put some paprika in there. Some garlic. And then I'm gonna just so when you look at it like this, it don't even look like I added nothing, right? Cool. And I usually like using I don't really like using the wing flings. I like to use either only drums, only flats, stuff like that. It takes up a lot of space in the pot if your pan, well, it takes up a lot of space in your pan if the pan isn't big enough, which is what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna have to do like 2-3 batches or so. Not annoying, but it is what it is. I've been really feeling Brent Fires. Am I saying his name right? His name right? Brent Fires? Yeah. I've been bumping him a little bit, but I wasn't really on the wave when everybody was really fiending for him. Besides Cool, this was always my song. Cool was always my song, period. But I never really like bumped him at all. Like, I would hear people play his songs in a car and stuff. They would be feeling him, but I wouldn't even really get into it. So I'm just waiting for, I wanted to save the vibes for like special moments. Like when I get my car got a whole atmosphere. So when I bump in the car, I'm gonna just be like, oh my god, I live for this. It's gonna, whatever. And I'm getting my car tomorrow. I'm so hyped. I'm getting my car tomorrow. And I'm just so excited. We making big moves this year. Big moves only, period. And I know this is a weird angle too, because I can't even see my whole head, but you know, whatever. But I'm trying to, y'all see me trying to double test. Just work with me, okay? I'm gonna test my grease, and if you didn't know, the way to test the grease to see if your chicken is ready to be put in, you just take a pinch of flour and you toss it in a pot. If it starts to sizzle, that means it is ready. If it doesn't sizzle, that means it's not ready. Now let me season this chicken. And I put a lot of paprika because I like it to be real golden and brown. As far as the taste difference, it doesn't really taste different. Like, you don't taste heavily paprika. Obviously, you're going to taste it, but it doesn't make a big difference as far as how much you add. Personally, to me, it just doesn't. So, and I really don't cook. I'm not going to lie, I don't be cooking. I cook certain things, but I really don't cook. So, I really want to get into like cooking more things, but I just be feeling like I want to wait until I get my apartment. I'm going to learn little by little, of course, but I want to wait until I got my apartment so I can do things the way I want them, organized. Like, I'm such an organized person. I need atmosphere, I need good vibes, I need organization, I need everything. Like, I need everything to be perfect, so I'm not really like, you know. Let me test the flour again. Definitely ready. Now, the way my grandmother taught me is I'm going to put it in the flour. And I usually put a few pieces in here too, but being that these pieces of chicken are big, I'm not gonna OD. So I dust off the powder a little bit, and then I fold the legs in. Make sure it's fully covered, and I'm gonna put it in the pot. And I want them to cook evenly, so I'm going to try to put more than one piece in at a time. Alright, so this is how it's looking now. My father and my brother already ate, so it's just me and my other brothers who got to eat right now. This is how it's looking. And basically what I did was I put it in there for 15 minutes and put the top on so it could get real crisp. And then after the 15 minutes, I take the top off, and then I just let it cook like this. In order to get it real fluffy and crunchy and crispy like this, you have to put the top on for the first 15 minutes. Now, I ain't no expert cook or nothing like that, but I'm just saying that's how I make mine. Everybody love my chicken and it's real crispy. So, food for thought. If you didn't know that, now you know. And I'm fiending and I can't wait to eat it. The asparagus is in the oven right now and the rice is over there, so I cannot wait to eat it. This is going to be so crispy and so good. I love my fried chicken. I was going to make some baked ziti too, but I wound up not doing that because I'm like, I don't really feel like it. But next time I will. And I'll probably try to make another type of meat or something like that. To end up with this vlog, I'm about to finish editing this BBL Q&A video because it's really long overdue. So I want to get that out for y'all tomorrow. I already dropped the video today, and I want to get that up for y'all tomorrow. So that's what I'm about to do. So that's how I'm gonna close out this vlog. I don't know, I guess it was probably pretty boring. I don't know if it was interesting enough or whatever, but I'm flowing into it. Some days gonna be up, some days gonna be down. I don't always be excited all the time. I really be chilling most of the time, but it is what it is. Anyways, thank y'all for tuning in to this boring video, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Also, do not let me forget to mention that this hair is from Tinashe Hair. This is 24 inches of deep wave. I thought it was 26, but it's actually 24. This is how it looks. I wish I would have got some better pictures in it, but this will do as well. Yeah, I installed this, so I'll make sure I add the link to where I installed this hair in. I was teaching you guys how to really carve your baby hairs and everything. I had a long night, so my baby hairs is like boom back. But yeah, so if y'all interested in this hair, even though it looks a little crazy, then I will link that in the description box down below, and you can use my code for a discount. And yeah, I gotta edit. Like, I gotta close up my night because I got a big day tomorrow. I gotta go get my new V. Like, I'm hyped. Anyways, yeah. So let me edit this video, and I'm gonna see y'all next video, okay? I love y'all so much, and see y'all in my next video. Bye, loves.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes out to give me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.